Having courage to change your life is one of the greatest virtues we can have. At first, we need to identify that the life we have created is not necessarily the life we really want. Are you living the life you want and are proud to be living it? If not, would you like to be able to change where you are at this moment? Every week I hear of more than one person who is or has suffered as a result of physical, emotional or sexual abuse, in all its variances. There is no difference between them, with the exception of the physical marks or scars that show. People are damaged, many for life, as they do not recognize that they can walk away at any time. If something does not feel right, walk away. Trusting your instincts and listening to your inner voice, who is doing its best to protect you, is giving you the permission to move on. Today, especially in Australia, there is a social security system and organizations who support and help people who need to leave, even if it means walking away with nothing. What price does one put on one's safety and sanity, be it in a physical or mental form? When you're different, sometimes you don't see the millions of people who accept you for what you are. All you notice is the person who doesn't. Jodi Picoult. One word has the power to mark someone and change their life forever. Never underestimate the power that the one word can make. It can destroy the self-esteem and take away the courage one has to move on. The purpose of life is not to be happy. It is to be useful, to be honorable, to be compassionate, to have it make some difference that you have lived and lived well. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Once someone hurts you deeply, in whatever way, there is no turning back. They have shown their character and your choice is to accept it or not accept it. By staying or being in an abusive environment, you are accepting that you deserve whatever is happening in your life. We are all responsible for how our life plays out. If we do not like it, we need to change it. I realize that at times there are circumstances that are beyond our control, such as an attack of some sort out in the world, and how it is responded to will make you the person you are. We can heal and forgive. We can move on and create a brighter and happier life. We just have to want it and care enough about ourselves and our well-being to take the steps we need to take. There is always help out there to walk you through the process if you decide you want a different life. How we treat ourselves is how we show up in the world. Like food is to our body, our self-talk is to the mind. Do not allow the junk thoughts repeat in your head. You are worthy of whatever you want and believe you can have. So, if life is good, be grateful for what you have and mindful of what you can become. If it is not, move on so you can have the gratitude you so deserve. Life is too short not to live it to its fullest. So love your journey and wherever it may take you. It is your journey and you can make it what you want. If you don't like it, change it. See a professional who can support you to work through the issues that are holding you back from making wise decisions for yourself and those you love, if necessary. Every person passing through this life will unknowingly leave something and take something away. Most of this something cannot be seen or heard or numbered or scientifically detected or counted. It's what we leave in the minds of other people and what they leave in ours. Memory. The census doesn't count it. Nothing counts without it. Robert Fulghum. Whatever your journey through your life, I wish you well and all the good things that life can bring to you. If you do not see them at this moment in time, know that they are there if you have the courage to move forward and find what makes you truly happy and fulfilled. Don't forget to click on the link in the description to claim your free manifestation toolkit.